You have work to do and you watch YouTube video instead. You have project that needed to get completed but you scroll Instagram. You have a workout to do but you watch cricket. We all procrastinate and doesn't do that work that we supposed to be doing. Procrastination is when we avoid a task that we said we would do for no good reason, despite accepting our behavior to bring negative consequences. Why we procrastinate? It developed in our caveman days when a difficult task or doing a difficult task can literally be the difference of life and death, like fighting a nearby tribe, going on a hunt. But nowadays, for doing simple chores like answering emails, doing the work that we're supposed to be doing, our brain triggered the same fight or flight system that are triggered in difficult situations. Some shads among men choose to fight the problem and do the task anyway. They are doing hard work,
especially when you don't feel like it.
but most of us choose the flight system and avoid the task in hand in favor of wasting time. This is the pro science behind procrastination, but there are mainly 4 reasons why we procrastinate, and I will tell you the 4 reasons and how to overcome each and every one of them. This video is planned in a sequence, so watch it in a sequence. Don't skip around and watch till the end. तुम्हारे साथ कभी ये हुआ है कि तुम्हें कोई बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट काम करना हो मगर यू आर डूइंग समथिंग इररिलेवेंट लाइक वाचिंग यूट्यूब वीडियो, स्क्रॉलिंग इंस्टा, और यू हैव अ वर्कआउट प्लान बट यू आर कीप पुशिंग इट फॉरवर्ड, लाइक थोड़ी देर सो लेता हूँ, दोपहर में चला जाऊंगा, दोपहर में बहुत गर्मी है, शाम को चला जाऊंगा, शाम को दोस्तों से मिलने जाना है, कल देखता हूँ, एंड दिस साइकिल विल कंटिन्यू एंड तुम्हारा जिम कभी स्टार्ट ही नहीं हो पाता. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, नो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू व्हेन यू हैव टू डू इट. आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट इन डिटेल इन द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, सो स्टिक अराउंड. तुम्हारा ब्रेन तुम्हें ट्रिक करेगा इंस्टा स्क्रॉल करने के लिए फालतू की यूट्यूब पे
कोई कॉमेडी वीडियो देख लेता हूँ.
But stop it. Avoid instant gratification activities like
watching Instagram, watching YouTube videos, scrolling on YouTube Shorts.
replace it with delayed gratification activities like gym, studies, work. Instant gratification activities is like eating samosa and kachori. तुम्हें पता है कि वो अभी अच्छी लग रही है मगर फ्यूचर में तुम्हें फैट कर देंगी या तुम्हारी हेल्थ के लिए अच्छा नहीं है. But delayed gratification activities is like doing a workout. तुम्हें पता है अभी दर्द हो रहा है, अभी थकान लग रही है, अभी सांस फूल रही है, but you will look like a Greek god in 1 to 2 years of time. This is the simple guide for delayed gratification. Know what to do. Acknowledge that your brain is tricking you for not doing that work. Third, avoid instant gratification for long-term gratification. Second one, routine. I know it's the most boring and simple advice that anyone can give you, and your bitch brain thinking this is BS. But if you know what you have to do when you have to do it, the chances of you procrastinating become very low. This is the best advice that I can give you, and this is the single most important thing that you can do to be the most productive version of yourself. Do this for at least 6-7 months and you defeat procrastination like this. बस एक सिंपल टाइम टेबल बनाओ, लाइक 5 AM wake up, 5:30 morning routine, 6 AM gym, like this and so on. Follow it as best as you can. Just do the same thing at the same time every day. Same thing, same time every day. Third, eliminate distractions. Turn off notification of your phone. Like you are in deep work, you are getting loads done, you are being productive, and then you are distracted, or you are studying, you are very focused on your task, but then some whore or your gay ass friend send you snap after snap after snap. First of all, whoever uses Insta is gay. If you are using it and not talking to any girl, you are gay. Uninstall that shit right now. Where were we? Oh yes, notifications. Go on your phone settings, turn off all the notifications, and I mean all.
But what if some work come up?
You are unemployed.
But what if there was some emergency?
If there was one, they will call you. There are no reason you should have your notification turned on. Why you procrastinate? While making big decisions of your life, like choosing your career or starting the business that you want to start. You have fear. What if I fail in that exam that I'm studying for? Or what if my business venture didn't work? Just imagine if you failed in private and no one knows about your failure. Would you care? You don't care about your failure. You just care about what other people thinks of you when you fail. You are not afraid of that girl rejecting you. You are just afraid of your so-called friends humiliating you when you get rejected. Alex Hormozi put it the best.
Purely made up in their mind. It's stories they tell themselves about what other people are going to think about them when those people aren't even thinking about them to begin with, right? But like that's where they live all of their lives, or live out all of the potential downside is in the mirror reflection of what other people will think about them in the future should they fail.
You're gonna die, and the people you are thinking about will too. They don't care if you succeed. They don't care if you fail. Just do it for yourself. You just made a reality in your mind. What if I fail? What will he think if I fail? What will Abhishek think if I fail? They never give a fuck about you. Your thought never even crosses their mind. Why are you thinking about them? Just do it for yourself. But the most important thing, you are thinking about work. You know what to do, but you are procrastinating, and you are searching how to get rid of procrastination instead of what drill to do to be spray perfectly in BGMI. You made progress. You are thinking about the right things. You are are thinking about the work. Remember, all things valuable in man compound slowly over time. If you want to be more productive, watch this next. Push yourself, build value, share it with others. Repeat. I will see you in the next one. Peace.